Pati po. Sorry.
Nag-birthday.
Lipstick na siya na. Itas mo po.
Pero, pagpunta siya. She made the piece look like a real dog because
She's not dog na. Because, tinove na po. But, anak kasi, dito po yan. Dinidikit mo naman kasi po. Hala. Hala. Don't disturb kasi ate. You're disturbing
I
me.
like it. May you put baby here and I don't stop.
Ayan. Wala. Ang ganda ng two sleeve niya nga dyan, oh.
Please. I'm gonna stop one.
Sleepy na?
No.
Yes.
She's sleepy but she wanted it.
Sleep na, baby. Listen mo na lang, baby.
Baby,
Don't shake. I don't scared.
baby, come.
Nag-sleep na siya, ano. Look. Kaya din look. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't shake it like that.
Baby, come.
Sleep na siya po, ate. Sleep na po siya.
Ang kawad mo, ate po.
Huwag niyo mahihingi na siya.